Hello everyone, hope you're all doing great. Today we are back with a new and super delicious video with a simple method that you'll definitely love it. Let's get started. First we cut chicken fillets into strips. You can also use chicken breast, but fillet is more tender and delicious. We season the fillets with a little salt, black pepper, turmeric, and garlic powder, and let them rest in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. If you're short on time, you can skip the resting period. We mix 1 cup of chicken batter flour with 1 cup of flavorless beer or water. The consistency should be like yogurt. First, we coat the fillets with our mixture and then fry them into hot frying oil. The heat should be medium and cooking time is about 5 to 7 minutes. Once they reach our desired color, we take them out of the pan and place them on a paper towel to remove the excess oil. Then we arrange them in our serving dish. I hope you enjoy this tutorial and support us with like and subscribe. Stay happy, healthy and kind.